Bros RC.
Alright, we pulling up in the Wally World now. And let's see if I can park where nobody else is parked. I came this way because it's right down the toll aisle. They got Thomas back out? Stick to the plan. Let's check down here and see what they got in stock for 2025. Well, they still have these, the Polaris. Got a Jeep for this Baja Brute. Dark Horse. 2147. We got some of these little guys. 837. We have a Bronco here. This is nice. The two-tone white with that grabber blue color. Don't like the controller. Fake shocks. Yeah, and that is $29.97. Do have some RC helicopters. Here's a little quad. Doesn't look bad. I was expecting more. I see this by Sharper Image. Little Indy car. Little kids RC. $29.97. Still got Mario. $42.97. GTR. $18.97. Fast and Furious Skyline, Brian Skyline for $39.97. This is fun though. Going further down the aisle, they have this Monster Jam Smash and Bash for $44.97. Again, fake shocks. Hot Wheels RC Ford Mustang GTD. For $24.97. Okay, we found another aisle. They got some Sharper Image RCs, $9.97 for whatever this is. And I've had this too. I also got a video on this, which is also $9.97. Down the aisle, these are Black Friday deals. This is $20 for an RC Corvette with the steering wheel. Also by Sharper Image. They got a Vet. Yeah. I always stop and look at the ammo. Alright, let me get a pretzel and a Coke and I'm out of here. Alright, so Subway now have Pepsi products. I don't drink Pepsi, only Coke. So I had to end up with a Mountain Dew. Still got my pretzel though. So yeah, I wasn't impressed with this season's selection of RC items. You like something you've seen, let me know in the chat. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, and all that good stuff. Comment if you would try one of those RCs. Well, I'm out. Till the next video, y'all be easy. Peace.